Hello everyone and welcome to this mega course of Adobe Animate. In today's lecture we are going to discuss about different types of tweens used in Adobe Animate. Tweens is basically used to smoothen the animations. So let's get started. First of all, we are having here shape tween. What is shape tween? Shape tween means that it is only applied on shapes. Number two is classic tween. Classic tween means that it is applied on symbols, and there is almost no difference between classic tween and motion tween. There is a little difference of looping. We are going to discuss motion tween in future when we are going to use it. So I'm going to remove that, and in today's lecture we are only going to discuss about shape tween and classic tween. So let's get started. First of all, I will remove this text, and now I'm going to draw here a shape. I will press R, or I will click here and choose rectangle tool. R is basically the shortcut key for rectangle tool. I will draw here a rectangle. Now this rectangle is in shape form. It is not a symbol over here. What is meant by shape? I have explained in my first lecture. If you see that we will select selection tool here, and V is the shortcut key, and we can change its attributes. I can change its shape. So it is known as shape basically. And in symbols we cannot change the attributes of the anything that is drawn on the artboard. So this is the shape basically. We can change it whatever shape we want to convert it into. Okay, now this is shape basically. For example, I put a keyframe over here on 30 frames. F6 is the shortcut key. I've explained it in very much detail in my timeline lecture. If you haven't attended, go and attend it first, because you are not going to understand anything without that. Okay, I have put insert a keyframe over here on 30 frame. Now I'm going to change a little bit of this rectangle into a almost a circle. Okay, I am going to change its shape like that, and over here I am going to right click and create shape tween. I am going to click on that. Now you can see its shape has been changed smoothly. You can see that this is the animation which is known as shape tween. If I play it like that, you can see that its shape is being changed. For instance, I put a keyframe over here again sorry, on 60 frames. Now I'm going to change more of this rectangle like that, and I again over here come and click on that in the middle of these two keyframes, and right click on that and create shape tween. So you can see that it will change its shape more likely. You can see that. You have to understand the mechanism of this timeline in such a manner that the longer you will insert keyframe or more, it will be, your animation will be slower. The less distance you will create a keyframe in this timeline, the animation will be faster. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. This is known as shape tween. Okay, this shape tween, if I talk in the context of animation, it is basically used in eye blinking animations. I'm sorry, I have to remove this. I will press shift from my keyboard and F5. You can see I have removed everything, and we have to remove that tween also. We will remove that also. Okay, now what we are going to discuss now is classic tween. What is classic tween? Classic tween is, first of all, is acceptable to symbols only. It is only applied to symbols. If we select this, shape over here, or we select it by using free transform tool like over here, we are going to press F8, or you will right click, and here you can see the option convert to symbol. F8 is the shortcut key. Please keep a short diary with you and write down the shortcut keys of that. It is going to be very much helpful for you in near future. Here is the name of the symbol. You can create a name over here. You can write rectangle, Here is the type of symbols. There are basically three types of symbols. One is movie clip, button, and graphic. Movie clip is like that. It does not give the option of looping. We will discuss about looping in future lectures. And what about button? Button means it is basically in Adobe Animate. There is also game development is done. So button is used for games development basically, and graphic is for animation, character animation. It gives the options of looping also. This is the registration point. Registration point means this is the center point from which your object or symbol is going to rotate or move. So we are going to click OK button, and now it is converted into a symbol. Now if I insert a keyframe over here on 50th frames, now if I drag it to the right side like that, and now you can see I want this rectangle to move at this point very smoothly. So what I'm going to do, I am going to right click between these two keyframes and create a classic tween. Now you can see that rectangle is moving very much smoothly. You can see that. One thing you can add to this animation is if you click on here anywhere in the middle of this these two keyframes, you are going to see the option of classic ease. If you drag it like that, it's going to be 100%, for example. It means that your animation will be fast from the beginning and will slow down at the end. You can see the difference. It basically creates some type of reality in the animations. You can see that it is basically known as easing out. Now if you ease in, you can see that there is a minus sign over here. Now it means that the animation will be slower from the start and will be fast at the end. You can see the major difference. We will discuss these tweens, and definitely we are going to use these tweens in future. And I think today's lecture we should end this today's lecture, and you should go to your computer or laptop and must do a practice of this.